We are now in step 19.4, which we will learn using the count function. The count function is basically a statistical function that shows the number of cells in the argument range that contain numerical values. So it's simply counting. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up step 19.4 from your lesson 19 data files. You should have a spreadsheet open that said banquet reservations and a list of menu items. We have chicken, beef, and vegetarian on our menu. So the first thing we need to do is save our document as banquet. Okay, so to calculate the number of chicken orders, if you look in column B, we have a list of names and individuals that have placed orders of chicken orders for $27.50. So we will calculate the number of total chicken orders. So scroll down to the bottom of your spreadsheet, cell B39, and click on your formula tab. Click the auto sum button, drop down on the arrow, and notice we have several different options. Select count numbers because we want to count the total number of chicken orders that we have. So select count numbers, and notice when you click on count numbers, it starts your formula for you. You have your equal sign. The argument is to count. And notice it added a range of cells B36 through B38. So what we need to do is to move your mouse around the blue marquee to one of the top corners, either left or right, and get the double arrow. Click. Notice my marquee stopped, but I still have my blue border. You want to hold down your mouse and drag up to select all of your orders, B5 through B38. Scroll down. Notice our formula is still active. Press enter to accept, or you can click enter check mark on your formula bar. And your total count is 10. So let's just verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So basically we counted the number of chicken orders and the result is 10. So let's click in cell B39, and in the functions library group, click more functions. Click on statistical and find count. Notice you get a function argument box that opens. And in the box, the value is 39 because that's the cell that was active when we opened our dialog box. But that's not correct. So if you click here, you can collapse your dialog box at the right side of the value, and click in box 39 and drag up. And notice that as I drag up, my function argument in my dialog box is updated. Let it go. And so your argument will be your range, which is C5 through C38. And I need to update that to say 38. Click OK. And your total count should be 18. And we have 18, a total of 18 beef orders. So the next thing we will do is we'll make it easier to find our total count in our D column. We will simply click on our fill handle and drag it over. And your total count is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 orders. 4 vegetarian orders. Let's look at our formulas again. If you click in your D column, your count is your range D5 through D38 for your beef orders, C5 through C38, a total of 18 orders. And then chicken orders, your total count is 10. So the ideal is start it off with the equal sign. Your argument is you want to tell Excel to count the numbers, and in parentheses you have your range. So that's how you use your statistical function to count. Save the changes, and I will see you on step 5.